All Good Parts.
Welcome to All Good Parts, Melbourne's premier supplier of quality used auto parts. With over 1,000 top-notch components for all makes and models, Japanese, European, American, Chinese, or Korean, we've got your vehicle covered. Our expert team ensures reliability, offering parts and labor warranties for peace of mind. Enjoy unbeatable prices and Australia-wide delivery. For premium products and exceptional service, contact us at 0475 135 131 or visit our website www.allgoodparts.com.au.